Hi guys, I hope you and everyone around you are safe and in good health. Today in this video, I'm going to share unbiased Nari Dukan reviews and will let you know is Nari Dukan legit or a scam website. But before starting, guys, let me tell you that it is not a sponsored video, neither this website is owned by me. So, through this video, you will get to know whether you should buy products from this website or not. So, without wasting much time, let's get started. This is the homepage of the website, and over this website, you can see that Nari Dukan offers variety of women wear dresses such as sari, salwar suit, anarkali gown, and designer dresses. And guys, here we can see that the price of these dresses are too good to believe. Before proceeding further, friends, I would request you all to like, share and subscribe my channel because it will help you guys to get the notification each time when I upload some informative videos on my channel. Now, let's proceed to know information related to payments. So here we can see that the payment options are not directly stated. Payment options would be disclosed only when you share your personal details and proceed to checkout. Now let's check the shipping policy. So again here we can see that the shipping time and shipping charges are not specified, which is a negative highlight. Also friends, the content over the website matches with other scam website. Friends, now let's have a look on return refund policies. So here we can see that returns are accepted only if there is a manufacturing defect in the delivered product. And if there is any such defect, a customer can raise a dispute within 24 hours from the delivery time. Guys, note that Nari Dukan will not process a return request in case if a customer does not like the product due to any reasons. And refund, if applicable, will be credited in the wallet of customer by means of reward, which is valid for the lifetime. And guys, a very important point to note here is that shipping charges of the returned product would be paid by the customer. Apart from this guys, talking about the cancellation policy, so here we can see that no information is disclosed by the officials on the website regarding the order cancellation. Therefore, you can only return the product bought from this website. So now let's proceed to talk on those important points which will help us in checking the authenticity of this website. Guys, Nari Dukan uses HTTPS connection, therefore the information you send or get through the website is safe, which is quite a positive sign. And apart from this guys, talking about the details related to registration, so the domain was registered on 12th June 2021. So we can see that the domain of Nari Dukan was registered just a couple of days back, and because of this reason traffic on the website is low and it is not much popular among the people. So friends, now let's proceed to check the way to contact them. So here on the official page we can see that company's address, its contact number and an email ID is provided, which is support@naridukan.com. Guys, here we can see that an email ID matches with the domain name. But apart from this, the physical address provided here is incomplete. So guys, it's a negative sign. Also, Nari Dukan lacks presence on social media platform, which again is a negative highlight. And talking about the Nari Dukan reviews, so here on the official website you will see that there is no section for customers feedback, and as I stated, it was registered just a couple of days back, so no customer reviews are available over the reliable sites on the internet regarding the quality of the items offered on Nari Dukan. Also, the trust index of the website is too low, and guys, according to Alexa traffic rank, this website is ranked 0 among many other million websites. So again, it's a negative point. So guys, loopholes such as copied content, duplicate images of the product, incorrect contact details, lack of customer remarks, low score on Trustpilot, low Alexa rank, low popularity makes us to doubt the authenticity of this website. So as I always say, prevention being a better option, I would recommend all the viewers not to shop from this website as there are high chances of receiving counterfeit goods or nothing at all. So guys, I would like to end the video by saying that do not share your personal details on naridukaan.com as it appears to be a suspicious website. So guys, that was all about the authenticity of Nari Dukaan. And friends, if you have ever ordered anything from this website, do share your feedback in the comment section below so that other viewers get to know all the information related to this website. Also, do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to protect yourself from omnipresent scamsters. Bye bye guys, stay safe, stay informed.